Cinematic camera moves. Have you ever wondered how Hollywood movies make every shot feel so alive? What if I told you that you can replicate the same cinematic magic with AI, without touching a real camera? Today, we're diving into 24 cinematic camera moves that you can copy and paste directly into AI prompts, transforming your AI videos into true blockbuster-level productions. How to use these moves in AI prompts. Every great AI video needs intentional camera motion. You can't just generate a static image and hope it looks cinematic. AI responds best when you describe not just the scene, but how the camera moves, the lens type, the angle, and the mood. A well-crafted prompt could look like this: a hero walking through a desert at sunset, warm lighting, camera, slow dolly in toward subject. This single line tells AI not just what to show, but how to show it. And that's the difference between amateur output and cinematic magic. Dolly in-depth movements. Create intimacy and focus. Move the viewer into the story. A slow approach can make the audience lean in. A fast dolly can shock or surprise. Here's how you do it. Slow dolly in. Camera. Slow dolly in toward subject. Cinematic depth. Use this to build tension or intimacy. Imagine your protagonist walking alone through a deserted street. The camera closing in slowly. The suspense builds with every frame. Slow dolly out. Camera. Slow dolly out, revealing the environment behind the subject. Pull away to show context, scale, or isolation. Perfect for revealing sprawling landscapes or cityscapes behind a character. Fast dolly in. Camera. Fast dolly in towards subject's face, urgent motion. Sudden emotional shifts or moments of realization. Think of an unexpected confrontation. Fast movement ramps up intensity instantly. Vertigo. Dolly zoom, Zal. Camera. Dolly zoom, camera back while zooming in, dramatic background distortion. The classic Hitchcock move, perfect for psychological tension, giving your AI-generated scene that cinematic edge. Tracking and lateral movements. Follow the action. Let the journey unfold smoothly. Tracking shots make your AI subject feel like it's moving through a real space. Truck left. Camera. Truck left smoothly in a lateral track movement. Follow characters side by side, perfect for action sequences. Truck right. Camera. Truck right. Camera moves laterally with subject. Maintains immersion as your hero moves across a scene. Tracking shot. Camera. Smooth tracking shot following subject forward. This makes the viewer feel like they are walking alongside your character. Ideal for cinematic exploration sequences. Pan and tilt. Simple but powerful frame shifts. Rotate to reveal the world. Sometimes, subtle movement is all you need to create drama. Pan left. Camera. Slow pan left across scene. Use this to slowly reveal a villain or hidden detail in a room. Pan right. Camera. Slow pan right, revealing details. Perfect for tension builds or showcasing scale. Tilt up. Camera. Slow tilt up from ground to sky. Reveal towering structures, a hero standing tall or approaching danger. Tilt down. Camera. Slow tilt down from head to feet. Reveals important objects, tools, or clues for your story. Crane and pedestal. Vertical perspectives. Elevate the emotion. These moves are ideal for epic reveals or dramatic transitions. Pedestal up. Camera. Pedestal up rising vertically. Eye level to above. Used to elevate perspective and create anticipation. Pedestal down. Camera. Pedestal down, lowering the viewpoint. Good for descending into a scene or focusing on smaller subjects. Crane up. High L reveal. Camera. Crane up into high-angle reveal of landscape/subject, establishing shots that set scale and grandeur. Crane down, shot. Camera. Crane down from above into subject space. A cinematic way to land on your protagonist in action. Orbit and circular movements. Dynamic energy. Circle to show context or power. Orbits are perfect for hero shots or action sequences. Orbit 180. Camera. Orbit 180 around subject from front to back. Reveals costumes, props, and dynamic action angles. Fast 360 orbit. Camera. Fast 360 orbit around subject. Energetic motion. High energy reveals. Perfect for AI-generated fight scenes or superhero entries. Slow cinematic arc. Camera. Slow curved arc around subject for dramatic reveal. Gives your shot an emotional, storytelling movement. Lens and zoom movements. Focus and storytelling. Change perspective without moving the camera. Zooms add emotional or dramatic emphasis. Smooth optical zoom in. Camera. Smooth lens zoom in. Camera position fixed. Highlights detail or creates intimacy with the character. Smooth optical zoom out. Camera. Smooth lens zoom out. Camera position fixed. Reveals scale and context simultaneously. Snap zoom. Crash zoom. Camera. Quick, intensely rapid zoom into the subject. Perfect for shock, surprise, or comic book style intensity. Drone and aerial moves. Epic scale. See the world from impossible heights. Aerial shots bring scope, scale, and spectacle. Drone flyover. Camera. High-altitude drone flyover moving forward. Ideal for establishing geography, battlefields, or epic landscapes. Epic drone reveal. Camera. Epic drone reveal rising and tilting down into landscape. Dramatic cinematic entrances or transitions. Large-scale drone orbit. Camera. Large-scale drone orbit around location. 360-degree environmental coverage, perfect for massive scenes or AI-generated fantasy worlds. Tips for prompting camera moves in AI. Lead with movement, not description. Start every prompt with the camera motion, then add subject and style. Example. Camera. Crane up. A lone warrior standing on a cliff. Cinematic lighting. Dramatic color grading. Keep it simple. AI struggles when you combine too many movement types in a single prompt. Break it down shot by shot. Match movement to emotion. Slow dolly in pluxed intimacy. Crash zoom plux shock. Drone pluxed awe. Your AI video feels cinematic when every move has a purpose. Camera movement isn't decoration, it's storytelling language. Master these 24 cinematic moves and your AI videos will instantly feel more professional, immersive, and cinematic. Experiment shot by shot, mix and match, and let your AI tell stories like a real director. If you want more copy-paste AI filmmaking guides, tips, and tutorials, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Which camera move is your favorite? And which one will you try first in AI?